Blend popcorn kernels for a perfect snack base. Add some popcorn kernels to a blender. Blend it thoroughly. Sieve the mixture into a container. In another bowl, add 3 tablespoons of the ground kernels. Add a cup of flour, salt, baking powder, cornstarch, sugar, and mix well. Add a teaspoon of sweet paprika and mix again. Gradually add 200 milliliters of water while mixing. Knead with hands until it forms a dough. The dough is ready when it doesn't stick to your fingers. Move to a work surface and roll it out. With the dough thin, trim the edges. Next, let's cut our dough into squares. Just follow the video steps, you can't go wrong. All done. It should look like this. Now, let's take it and fry in hot oil. Drain on paper towels and repeat with remaining dough. Then, put in a bowl, add salt, and it's ready. Look how amazing it turns out, folks. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.